to my channel. If you are new and you happen to find this video, I'm gonna need you to hit that subscribe button. Once you hit that subscribe button, we automatically become friends. So guys, I got bored doing quarantine and I did this beautiful makeup creation look. I don't know what to call it. Guys, when I created this look, I was thinking of a green fairy type of look. And guys, if you want to know how I did this tutorial, stay tuned. Okay guys, so as you can see, my eyebrows are done already. Everybody likes their eyebrows different, and plus I wanted to save more time in the video. So guys, let's just get straight into it. I'm gonna put this LA Girl concealer under my eyebrows, and the color I'm using is Toffee. So guys, the concealer helped my eyeshadow pop more, and it'll show more pigment, and my eyeshadow will show really good. And just put it all under my eyebrows, and I go down on my eyelids. So guys, we finna get into the fun part, which is apply eyeshadow, and I'm excited. Hold on. So I'm absolutely using my favorite palette, which is the Box of Crayons. This palette right here has a lot of pigment, and it's just so much fun to use. So guys, excuse my eyeshadow. I don't know what happened. One day I just opened my eyeshadow and I was like, what in the world? And I was so sad, like I was about to cry. But just excuse that. I'm gonna use this yellow and I'm gonna put it around like my crease. I know y'all see that. Wow, y'all see how pigment this is? You can see the yellow on my eyelids. Exactly what I'm talking about. I'm gonna use this Hunter Green right here. Take this lime green, this light green right here, and just pull it on my lids. But I'm gonna put some more concealer again. Just Wet n Wild concealer right here, and then I'm gonna put a mixture of the LA Girl. crease and I'm gonna add more hunter green. I'm gonna add a little blue right here, just a teensy bit. So I'm finna apply my concealer. Once again, I'm using my LA Girl Pro in the color Toffee. My e.l.f. mist and set, and I'm finna spray it. This helps my makeup from looking cakey. Y'all know what I forgot to put on? I forgot to put on my primer. So it's not too late. I'm gonna definitely still put it on. So the kind I put on is this brand, and this is my first time trying it. I always do Maybelline, but I wanted to try something different because Maybelline haven't been working for me. So guys, the foundation I will be using today is MAC, and MAC is absolutely my favorite foundation, the only foundation I use. And the color I will be using is NW46, which this foundation fits my skin tone perfectly. Okay, I feel like adding foundation to your face is literally the fun part of doing makeup. No lie. Look at that, guys. My face, and I will be using Black OPL True Complexion. You can find this at your local drugstore, anywhere. Got mine from Walmart. my concealer. Anytime you contour, it's supposed to be a little darker in your skin. That's what it's called. So guys, I'm gonna put a little Wet n Wild concealer under my eyes as well. So guys, I'm gonna apply these lashes. I don't like applying lashes on camera because I'm not really good with giving a tutorial on how to put on lashes. If you know how to put on lashes, good. You don't need this step. If you don't know how to put on lashes, just look up another YouTube video because I'll be messing up. I'm finna come back and show you. So hi guys, I am back. I apply my lashes. Look at it, okay? So now guys, it's time for my favorite part. I know I have a lot of favorite parts. It's time for highlights, okay? I'm gonna do Fenty Beauty, which is my favorite, Trophy Wife. And I'm gonna try this liquid highlighter that I got from Walmart, and it's my first time. So you know what? I'm gonna do my under my lids first. I'm gonna try this liquid. I don't know how this works, but and this is how it is, yeah, when I open it. I don't want to use too much. See that highlight? Okay, cool. Now it's time to apply my lip gloss. Okay, I'm gonna mix these two together. I got this from e.l.f. This is e.l.f. lip gloss, and this is brand new. I'm probably just gonna put this on. Let's see. Okay. Yes, it's glossy. I love it. So guys, that was the end of my makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you are new to my channel and you happen to click on this video, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, okay? And I just want to tell everyone to be safe, and everyone is in my prayers. Bye.